Hi, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to promote Redbubble products on Pinterest. We all know that Redbubble is a global online marketplace for print on demand products and artworks with over 700,000 creatives worldwide with a variety of unique designs and awesome products that include prints, t-shirts, hoodies, cushions, duet cars and leggings and stickers, skirts, scarves and much more. So that's a brief about the platform. Now let's dive into how to publish products on Redbubble. First of all, you need a Redbubble account. So visit redbubble.com and click on the sign up button on the top right corner. You will be redirected to the sign up page. Here you need to select artist sign up, then enter your email address and a username which will be your unique shop name, and then also enter a password. And if you wish to receive promotional emails from Redbubble, then just tick this box and finally click on the sign up button at the bottom of this page. If you already have an account, then you just need to click on the login button below the sign up button. After successfully signing up or logging in, you will be redirected to your dashboard as you can see over here. Now, to start selling and promoting your products on Redbubble, you first need to complete your profile and set up your shop. For this, click on the profile icon on the top right corner and select account settings from this drop down menu. Here you can upload your avatar and a cover image and set up your profile information. And once you've filled everything, just click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of this page. The next step is to set up your payment options. For this, click on the Edit Payment Details option on the left sidebar under Account Settings, and you will be redirected to this page. Here you will need to enter a few details like your personal details, your residential address, and then you have to select the currency over here from this drop down menu. Finally, tick on this, which is the user agreement option. And after that, just click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of this page. And voila, your shop, your profile, and account setup are all now complete. You are now ready to upload your designs on Redbubble, but for that, you will first need to create a design. Let's look at how you can do this. For this, the one free designing platform we have to suggest to you is canva.com. This designing platform is, as you can see, for everyone. They provide templates for almost anything and everything that you want to create. And if you go to the top of this home page, you will see that there is this designs tab where you have loads and loads of options for printing, for office, marketing, social media, etc. And for using any of them, as usual, you will need to either log in if you have an account or sign up if you aren't signed up already. Now let's look at what you need to do after creating a design. For this, you need to click on Dashboard and select Add New Work or Add Design. And it will take you to this page where you need to upload a new work. So just click on this box over here. And you can see the file requirements that are mentioned over here underneath. So when you click on this, it will take you to your browser. Just select the image that you have created and it will take you to this page where it will first process your uploading. Once the upload is complete, you can see your design on the left side, and on the right side you have all these things to fill up, which is title, tags and description. We are going to use the title women born in January because that's what's mentioned on the image itself. Now let's go to tags. You need to be very careful with tags because tags are really important for your product to come up in the search results. Now we'll add a description and you can use like around 4 to 10 words or something, but keep it short and precise. When you scroll down, you can see the product's preview. That means this is how your custom design will look like on different products. And if you scroll down further, there are a couple of other options at the bottom of this page. And finally, at the end of this page, there is this option that you need to tick mark, which is the Redbubble seller agreement. Then click on Save Work at the bottom of the page. It will get processed. It doesn't take much time. And once the uploading is complete, Your work is now getting published and now it is ready to be shared. Let's look at how you can share your Redbubble work. For this, you will need to go to the profile on the top right corner and select Manage Portfolio from the drop-down list. Select the artwork that you just uploaded or whichever one you want to share. Like we're going to select this one that we just created, and you will see a small gear icon which you will need to click and then select Edit from this drop-down menu. And this will open your artwork. And on this page, you can see the same details that you entered. Below the title of your artwork, you can see that there is a link. This is the link that you need to share on your different social media profiles when you want to promote it. Redbubble is a good platform to showcase your work or to maximize your profit from the creations that you put up on Redbubble. Along with posting them on Redbubble, we would suggest sharing your Redbubble products on your social media profiles. We are going to show you how you can do this kind of promotion, that is promoting your Redbubble artwork on Pinterest. To begin promoting your Redbubble products on Pinterest, you need to simply visit pinterest.com. If you are already a member of this platform, then you can just log in. But if you're not, then you need to click on the sign up button on the top right corner and just sign up. Once you have successfully logged in or signed up, then you need to create a pin for your Redbubble product. And to do this, you need to click on Create Pin under the Create tab on the top left corner. And it will take you to this page where you can create a pin for your Redbubble artwork. But what we recommend for this is to use the same title and the same description as you did on Redbubble. So simply we are going to copy paste from our Redbubble artwork page. So you can see we have just placed the title over here, which is Women Born in January, the same one we used in Redbubble, and the same description as well. And finally, we need to add a link. We're going to copy the link on our Redbubble artwork page and we're going to paste it over here where it says destination link. Next, we need to add a picture, and for this we're going to use the same artwork that we uploaded on Redbubble. So simply select that and it will get uploaded to your pin. Once you have entered everything, click on the save button on the top right, and now your pin will get published. Posting and promoting your items on social media platforms like Pinterest might boost your sales. Redbubble does provide a lot of excellent mockups and ways of showing off your design, but when you promote it on platforms like Pinterest, you might get a lot of exposure. So suppose a Pinterest user likes your design, they will click on your pin. Then when they click on the visit button on the page of your pin, it will take them directly to your Redbubble shop where they will see not just this product that was there on Pinterest, but also your other products. So this is a very good way of promoting your Redbubble shop and your Redbubble products and artwork. So that is all about how to promote your Redbubble products on Pinterest. We hope it helps you. For more such videos, stay tuned and stay subscribed.